Hello friends, welcome back. In the last video, we installed Python in Windows system and discussed about few text editor or IDEs to write Python codes. And I am using Visual Studio Code. And last video, in the last part of the video, we ran a simplest Python program, Hello World. Okay, we ran. Today Today I will discuss and write some code. I will discuss about Python indentation, Python variables, and Python comments. And this video is just a overview of this three very important very important um, mm, elements of Python programming language. So let's start. Okay. In the last video, we run print hello world. Let's print it again, run the code, and it's displaying hello world in the console. Okay, let's say something. I'm saying, let's discuss something about Python indentation. Indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line. So this is a code line, and indentation means just a space, or you can spaces like this. Okay, so um, unlike other programming languages, the indentation in Python is not only for readability. The indentation in Python is very important. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. For instance, um, let's say if 8 is greater than 6, 8 is greater than 6, then print 8 is greater than 6. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's run it. Okay, it's showing 8 is greater than 6. Okay, now comes in the indentation. Here is the indentation. Okay, let's see what happened if we remove this indentation and run this again, and it will obviously show an error. Okay, here this file is referring to this file. On line 2, line number 2, print 8 categories. Okay, what is the problem? Indentation error expected an indented block. Python interpreter is expecting an indentation here. So let's give it the indentation again, save the file again, and run it again. Okay, now this time it's working very fine. Okay, so that's what happened when we skip indentation or miss indentation. It will show an error. Indentation, you can indent double indentation and it will work just fine like that. Again, we can indent one more, that's and it will again work very fine. It depends on you how many indentation you want to put here, so that you can read it clearly, or and the code stays a block to the Python interpreter. So this is the fact. you have to indent a space before the code block, otherwise it will throw an error. So the number of spaces is up to you, but it has to be at least one. It has to be at least one, otherwise it will throw an error message. And another thing is you have to use the same number of spaces in the same block of code, otherwise Python will give you another error. So let's put another line below this one. So let's say another indentation. Run it. Okay, it's working fine. 8 is greater than 6 and another indentation. So this is same number of spaces we'll put before these two lines. But remove if we increase or decrease in one space, then what will happen? It will obviously put an error, indentation error. So let's run it. Okay, it's not working. Unexpected indent. If we remove this extra indentation, then it will work just fine again. Okay, 8 is greater than 6. Okay, this is all about indentation and overview of indentation. Okay, now let's talk about variables. Okay, we leave this above block of code alone and started a new block by indenting this code. Python variables. In Python, variables are created when you assign a value to it. Just like x is equal to 8 and y is equal to hello world. Hello world. Hello. So that's it. Python has no command for declaring a variable like any other programming languages. Let's print these variables. Print x. Let's see. Okay, let's remove this block. Save this. Run it. Okay, it's printing 8. Printing 8. Let's print now y. Okay, it's printing hello world. So the main fact is the variables created when you assign any value to it. Python has no any special symbol or special command for declaring a variable. So that's it about variable today. Let's go to the comments. Python has commenting capability for the purpose of in-code documentation. Comments start with a hash sign or pound sign, and Python will render the rest of the line as a comment. So let's leave a comment here. This is a comment. This is a comment. And okay, this is a variable which is containing a string hello world, and this is a comment. And print function printing y variable. So let's see. It should print hello world just like before, and this should be skipped by interpreter. So let's run it, and yes, hello world printed. Interpreter skip. This is a comment. So this is a quick overview in this getting started video about Python indentation, Python variable, and Python comments. Of course, we will discuss about comment and variable in details in the next videos. So that's it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get notification whenever I upload a new video. Besides, leave a comment, and if you have any question or suggestion, like and share videos. Thank you very much. Goodbye.